be another way across.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
I may regret suggesting this, but what about the Speedle?
What about it? Let's go! Almost home! And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this. All right.
Come on! We both know how this is gonna end, big guy. For my final enemy, the Mortz's pressure locks.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that. There! Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could access
Everybody, you have to learn to share 10 minutes each. I'm playing 10 minutes and he's gonna play 10 minutes.
Not really my thing. Especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City.
Nanotech.
for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax. Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like evil like him too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
no, dear, no. Ah!
Hey! That's my annoying robot!
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, folks! I'm coming! That Seekerpede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down. Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
Give me back my robot! Honestly, I am not impressed.
Please watch your head.
The Emperor's got some weak standards if that's all you got.
Backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
What? No, you're not getting away from me.
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me. Gotta save bolts.
destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it! Why don't you let me drive that thing?
It is not polite to cheat death, little Lombax.
Ow!
I hope I can witness your demise. Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it!
A nice, swift death is what you need.
Why don't you let me drive that thing?
Die! Watch your step, rebel. It is not polite to cheat death, little Lombax. Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it! Why don't you let me drive that thing?
Prepare to suffer. Surprise! This is unfortunate.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship. By the way, how about about I hook you up with a signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Rivet! Ship's ready and waiting for you!
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Like them before? I see those fireworks and Mort's going away.
have to go and see you guys in the next video.